Hi, welcome to the next tutorial video in the series of Ultimate Shooting System V2. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to do the shotgun bullet mount, or the shotguns, I guess, in general. So shotguns are similar to the single shots. However, they have a new variable that you can use called what do you call it? Where is it? It's under shotguns. Shotgun bullet amount. This is how many bullets will spawn. So it'll use the same variables as the single shot, but it'll go to shotgun bullet. And then under line trace settings, you can, if you're using line trace, you can set all the stuff you want. Okay, like with the single shot. That's pretty much it. It's just it's basic. It works the same as the single shot, uses the same values, but you want to set the shotgun bullet amount. And then if instead of single shot, use fire shotgun. Same thing with projectile, except for the projectile, you're going to have to handle all of the effects and everything inside your projectile yourself. However, it will use the shotgun bullet amount. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the shotgun. Pretty simple, pretty easy to set up. And I'm going to go on to the next video, which will be the destruction system for the Ultimate Shooting System.